space. Good, well done. I like the way you moved over a little bit so everyone can go. Is this one senior? Oh yeah?
No.
Good, well done. Where's the best place to deal with the maroon one?
This spot coming up now.
Okay, seen the red one after it? What are you going to do? Clutch quicker down. You press it too slowly, mate. Yeah. Cool. Creep early. Better.
Yeah.
You still are laboured pressing that clutch down. You press it down like that sometimes. How are you going to deal with a cyclist? They've got as much right as anyone else.
Yeah.
So if they're going to come through, they look as though they're splitting. Don't know. We'll still potentially give way to them. Give way to them then. Clutch down, just stop. Perfect. They've got as much right as anyone else. And people don't think that's the case, but they do.
No, yeah. But I do.
So,
I do.
good.
Bikes, so
Yeah. And people treat bikes like a piece. They really
Definitely.
do.
Yeah. Have just as much right to be on the road.
Absolutely. And they had all the room they needed to go still stay on their side of the road. So the cars should give way to them.
Yeah, definitely.
It's as simple as that. But people don't. People think, well, that's my space. I can fit through there. Well, hang on a minute. You're going onto their side of the road to then barge them out the way. Doesn't work. Well, shouldn't work.
No. That's how accidents happen.